Stop barking at the barking dogs.
Stop barking at the barking dog? Wala namang barking dog.
Basta mga na importante.
Ano nga wala akong naintindihan sa mga pinagsasabi mo, love?
Don't bark if the bark is not a dog.
Ha? Love, sasapakin kita. Sabihin mo yung totoo. Ay,
Oh.
ano nga? Hindi ko talaga nagigits.
Okay. Do not bark when the dog is barking, because when the dog barks, the barking is loud. So stop, look, and listen and talk.
Hindi, mali yan. Mali yung sinasabi mo. Ako yung pinapayuhan mo, pero mali-mali yung mga pinagsasabi mo.
You stop, look, and listen well.
You cannot throw stones to every dog that barks. Di ba ganun yun?
Do not throw the dog. do not throw the dog in every stone that barks.
Ay, guy, ewan ko, bala ka sa buhay mo.
Barks.
In every dog that barks. Don't stone the dog.
There's an appropriate stone.
For every dog that barks. Uy, ang sama mo naman, babatuhin mo pa yung mga aso.
In every
Dog.
dog that barks, use a bigger stone.
Mahuhuli ka ng paulagot ka.
Pow, pow, pow. Uli naman. That bark.
In every dog that barks.
Bark bug. In every dog that barks,
Oh.
barks back.
Tataulan ko din sila.
That's the right approach.
The right approach. Lab, ayoko nga magbuang aso. Paano naging right approach yun?
In every stone, in every... Ang sakit yung ulo ko siya. In every dogs that barks, throw a stone.
Eh di na, ubus na yung oras mo kakabato sa mga aso.
Throw all the stones at once.
Paano? Wala ka talagang kwenta mag-advise. Hindi mo alam kung advice ba yun or ano.
Basta mga advice ko, pumunta kayo sa advisor niyo.
Sun Life.
Ibang advisor.
Ay, iba pala, iba. Ano? Ayun ang alam insurance ko eh. Ay,